Homeowners today want tankless water heaters, smart leak detectors, water filtration systems, and upgraded fixtures like touchless faucets and high-efficiency toilets because these upgrades save money, prevent damage, and add real value to a home. Let's break this down simply. A tankless water heater doesn't store hot water in a big tank. It heats water instantly as it flows through pipes, so you never run out and you save on energy bills. Smart leak detectors are small devices that sense moisture or unusual water flow and send an alert straight to your phone, which can literally save you thousands of dollars by catching a hidden leak before it turns into a flooded basement. Something not many people know about is that many insurance companies now offer discounts if you install one of these detectors, so it can actually pay for itself. Water filtration systems are also becoming a top request because people are worried about lead, chlorine, and other contaminants, and a whole home filter can fix that at the source instead of just filtering water at the sink. High-efficiency toilets use around 1.28 gallons per flush instead of the older 3.5 gallons, cutting water usage dramatically without sacrificing performance. One common mistake homeowners make is choosing the cheapest fixture without checking if it is compatible with their existing plumbing, which can lead to expensive rework, so always confirm compatibility before buying anything. Another big misconception is thinking tankless water heaters work for every household size, when in reality, a large family with multiple bathrooms running at once might need a bigger unit or even two, so getting your usage evaluated first is key. People also forget that regular maintenance, like flushing a water heater once a year, is what actually extends the life of these upgrades, so don't skip it just because something is new. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.